Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Economics Wala. So I just named my channel. Previously I had not named my channel, and a few months ago I posted videos on income determination in three sector model, and I also subsequently posted videos on determining the multipliers in that three sector model. Those were government expenditure multiplier, tax multiplier, and balanced budget multiplier. Now, what I want to do in this video is I want to expand that model into the four sector model. So, in four sector model, uh, it is also known as open economy model. And in this model, because we do not want to complicate things, we only, in the open economy model, we only consider two things. Number one, imports, and number two is exports, right? So to determine income in four sector model, we are going to use a very similar uh, steps that we used in three sector model to determine the income, right? So we are going to use consumption function, and the second, we will also use the import function. We will substitute these two functions in the aggregate demand function of open economy. So let me, before I start, let me write down the equation of aggregate demand function in the four sector model, and this is nothing but AD is equal to what? C plus I plus G, and the fourth sector is the net exports, which is equal to X minus M. So this is net exports. Right. So AD is also we it is also known as national income, right? National income. So we can write it as Y is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Now, what are the two functions that I was talking about? So number one is the consumption function. Consumption function. Okay, so this consumption function that we used in the previous three sector model as well is equal to C is equal to A plus B times Y minus T. And as we all know, this Y minus T is nothing but the disposable income, right? Disposable income. Disposable income. Anyway, the second function that we are going to use is the import function. Sorry about that. Import function. Okay, so this is nothing but M is equal to M dash. M dash is equal to, sorry, not equal to, plus My. All right. So this M dash is nothing but the autonomous imports. Here, A in this consumption function, A is the autonomous consumption. Similarly, M in import function, M dash is the autonomous import, which means the import that a country is going to do no matter what happens, right? It is the compulsory import a nation uh, will do. Okay. Anyway, now what we will do is we will substitute both these functions in this equation right here. Okay, so let's find out what happens. Y is equal to, now in place of C we will write this consumption function. Okay, let me color code them so that it is easy to keep track of things. I'm gonna color code it to I don't know, color code it to orange. Done. Yay. Okay, so consumption function, and I'm going to color code this consumption function to, let me see, to yellow. Yes. Okay, So this is going to be equal to C. In place of C, we'll write the consumption function, which is equal to A plus B. And I'm going to distribute this B into the brackets, right? So this is going to be equal to A plus BY minus BT, okay? Plus I plus G plus X minus, and I'm gonna write the import function in place of M, okay? So import function is M dash plus my. This is the import function, okay? So let me simplify this equation. This is going to be equal to A plus by minus bt plus I plus G plus X, and I'm going to distribute this minus into the brackets, and you will get minus M dash minus my, okay? And these brackets are not required here, okay? Anyway, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate the y terms to one side of the equation. So what are the y terms here? The y terms, this is one y term and this is another y term, right? I'm gonna bring those y terms to the other side of the equation. So this is going to be equal to y, and this is minus, subtracting by from both sides of the equation, we get y minus by, and subtracting my from both sides of the equation, sorry, not subtracting, adding my to the both sides of the equation, we get plus my, and this is going to be equal to A minus bt plus I plus G plus X minus M dash. Right, so here what we will do next is we will take y common from this side of the equation. So this is going to be equal to y times 1 minus b plus m, and this is going to be equal to A minus bt plus I plus G plus X minus M dash, okay? Now I'm going to bring 1 minus b plus m, this term under bracket, to this side of the equation by dividing both sides of the equation by 1 minus b plus m. So this is going to be equal to y is equal to 1 over 1 minus b plus m. So this is equal to A plus bt plus I plus G plus X minus M dash. So voila, this is the equation for determining income in fourth sector model. So this is it for this video, and in the next video I will show you how to determine or how to derive the export multiplier and the import multiplier. These are the two multipliers in the foreign sector model, and using the very similar process that we used in the three sector model, we will be deriving these multipliers in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.